Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your coffee temperature of your Siemens EQ.6 Plus S400 coffee machine. And hot coffee is really awesome, isn't it? But if you do not like a hot coffee, it's okay too. And this machine gives you the power that you can set up this for the entire appliance here. No problem with it. Specifying the temperature for coffee drinks and hot water. We can choose it normal, high or maximum power. Let's perform this. Normal menu button, then go down to coffee temperature. Here we are, coffee temperature. Let's switch OK. Here you can see now it's maximum range. You can go to normal or high. Let's perform high, for example. Now it has been saved. Now it's a normal or a higher temperature, as you can see. But I like hot water, so go to maximum power. Of course, if you have a favorite, you can make this in a different favorite setup. But the entire machine will now have the coffee temperature of maximum power. That's awesome to make your coffee temperature in one line of that machine. Go to menu, go to coffee temperature and switch between normal, high or maximum. If you're choosing the favorite options, you can make an individual temperature setup by using the favorite option. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.